Welcome to VisualParadigm SysML v2 Studio Kickstart Guide. SysML v2 Studio Mastering Guide Precision Engineering. In traditional system modeling, an error in logic or syntax often remains hidden until it's too late. When working with a complex textual notation like SysML v2, you rely heavily on your editor to tell you if your code is correct. However, a common frustration with many SysML v2 tools is the prevalence of ghost errors, situations where the editor flags valid code as incorrect. This constant stream of false alarms doesn't just annoy you, it destroys your confidence in the model and makes learning the language nearly impossible. SysML v2 Studio transforms this experience. We've built a high-performance SysML v2 code editor that you can actually trust. By bringing the precision of professional software development environments to systems engineering, we ensure that if our tool flags an error, it's a real issue that needs your attention. No more second-guessing, just precision engineering in a stable SysML v2 IDE. Our editor is powered by a robust Language Server Protocol (LSP) implementation specifically tuned for the SysML v2 standard. This creates a reliable environment for high-stakes modeling. Unlike other SysML v2 editors that may falsely highlight entire files as erroneous, our validation engine is strictly compliant with the SysML v2 grammar. When you see a red squiggle, you can be certain there is a syntax mismatch or a relationship violation. This reliability is the foundation of professional modeling. The Problems Pane, your centralized error log. Located at the bottom of the workspace, the Problems Pane provides a clear, actionable list of every issue in your model. It categorizes problems by severity and provides clear descriptions. Clicking any entry instantly jumps your cursor to the exact location of the fault, allowing for rapid debugging. The editor uses deep analysis to color code your text based on the SysML v2 standard, making it easy to distinguish between parts, ports, and requirements. As you type, the editor suggests valid keywords and elements from your model, preventing typos before they happen. Let's see how the editor helps you resolve real syntax issues without the distraction of false positives. Open the navigator and create a new file demo.sysml with just a line of content. Part def my platform followed by semicolon. Delete the semicolon at the end or misspell the keyword. Notice how the red squiggle appears exactly where the error is. Check the Problems pane. It will accurately describe the missing token or unexpected input. If you are ever unsure about a syntax rule, rely on the editor. If the code is not underlined, it is valid. This silent success is just as important as the error reporting.